Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your username on TikTok. Stick around till the end to learn the simple steps to update your profile. So let's get started. First things first, open the TikTok app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen and this will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, click on Edit Profile button and this will open a menu where you can edit your profile details. Now click on username field and delete your current username and type in the new one you want. And make sure that your username follows TikTok's guidelines and your username must be unique so TikTok will notify you if your username is already taken. And once you have entered the new name, click on Save button in the top right corner. Now click on Set Username to confirm your choice. And with that, you have successfully changed your new username. But remember, you can change your username once in 30 days. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.